Well, what does it do? What does it do?
Shoots out button, shoots button.
Where does the guy go? Where does the guy come up? Up there?
Right here, comes here.
Wait, bring it over here. Can I see it? Oh, on the side right there? And then who comes up on this side?
Guy comes up like that. The jumping owl.
Oh, they jump over there. Oh, and then and then who picks him up?
Co-pilot driving truck, and then pull base.
Yeah.
Then goes up. Then jumps in owl. Then stays.
Oh, and you made that? You made that by yourself? How many pieces are on there? Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Whoa, that is a great, nice plane.